Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best No7 Foundation is probably one of the most searched for foundations on the market, and for good reason, as it consistently delivers a flawless finish that rivals high-end brands, making it a go-to choice for beauty enthusiasts seeking professional-looking results without the hefty price tag. And today we're diving deep into why this particular foundation has earned its stellar reputation and whether it truly lives up to the hype, so stick around to find out if it's the perfect match for your makeup bag. Number 5. No7 Restore and Renew Multi-Action Night Cream. Introducing the No7 Restore and Renew Multi-Action Night Cream. This powerful formula works overnight to revitalize your face and neck. Infused with collagen peptides, it targets signs of aging for a smoother, firmer appearance. Experience the difference as it combats crepey skin. Hyaluronic acid and ceramides deeply hydrate and nourish your skin. Wake up to a complexion that feels replenished and looks visibly younger. Let this luxurious cream be your nightly ritual. It's designed to restore and renew while you sleep, enhancing your skin's natural barrier. See a noticeable improvement in skin texture and elasticity. This anti-aging skincare essential delivers powerful results, so you can face the day with confidence. What we like. This is your ultimate nighttime repair solution. It works while you sleep to rejuvenate your face and neck. If you're looking for intensive overnight renewal and targeting crepey skin, this is the one for you. What people say. It's very light and creamy and doesn't leave your skin feeling oily or greasy. My face feels hydrated when I wake up and appears to be soft and smooth. Absorbs well and isn't greasy on your skin. Number 4. No7 Future Renew Damage Reversal Serum. Discover the future of skincare with our revolutionary damage reversal serum. It's designed to transform your complexion and reveal a more youthful appearance. This powerful formula is enriched with advanced peptides. They work diligently to support your skin's natural repair processes, enhancing its resilience. Experience a noticeable reduction in fine lines and wrinkles. It effectively combats dryness and helps to even out your skin tone for a smoother look. Our serum actively supports skin repair, addressing the visible signs of aging. It helps restore your skin's youthful vitality and radiance. Achieve a visibly renewed complexion with consistent use. It's the perfect addition to your anti-aging skincare routine for women. Unlock the secret to younger-looking skin. This serum provides comprehensive care, targeting multiple signs of aging for a revitalized appearance. What we like. Experience advanced skin repair with this powerful serum. It's designed to support your skin's natural renewal process. If you're concerned about fine lines, wrinkles, dryness, or uneven tone, this serum will be your go-to for a smoother complexion. What people say. My skin's texture has gotten smoother and more even-toned. It's more like a gel texture and spreads very nicely, and a little goes a long way. It dries very quickly so as does not harm bedding. It leaves the face feeling very smooth, and it also helps with wrinkles and dryness. Number 3. No7 Future Renew Damage Reversal Eye Serum. Discover the future of your eyes. This advanced serum is designed to reverse the signs of damage. It effectively repairs skin that has been exposed to the sun. Say goodbye to sun-induced damage and hello to revitalized skin. Target fine lines and wrinkles with our powerful formula. Experience a smoother, more youthful appearance around your eyes. Uneven skin texture is no match for this nourishing serum. It works to create a more refined and even complexion. Even if you have sensitive skin, you can enjoy its benefits. It's formulated to be gentle yet effective. See a noticeable difference in your under-eye area. It's your secret weapon for a refreshed and renewed look. What we like. Target the delicate eye area with this specialized serum. It's formulated to repair sun-damaged skin and smooth out lines. If you have sensitive skin and are looking to address wrinkles and uneven texture around your eyes, this is a gentle yet effective choice. What people say. Smooths the little lines under the eye. Excellent product. The serum is soft and non-greasy on my skin. I really like this eye serum, and it's light and smooths on really well. I have noticed a reduction with the fine lines. Number 2. No7 Future Renew Damage Reversal Skincare Set. Discover the No7 Future Renewed Damage Reversal Skincare Set. This powerful collection is designed to combat the visible signs of sun damage. It works to reverse the effects of sun exposure, helping your skin look and feel revitalized. This 3-piece set includes an anti-aging face serum, a day cream with SPF 25, and a nourishing night cream. Protect your skin during the day with our SPF 25 cream, guarding against further sun damage. While you sleep, the night cream works to repair and rejuvenate your complexion. Experience a visible reversal of sun damage and embrace a more youthful appearance with this comprehensive set. What we like? Get a comprehensive anti-aging system in one convenient set. It includes a serum, day cream with SPF, and night cream for 24/7 care. If you want to reverse visible signs of sun damage and are looking for an all-in-one solution for your skincare routine, this set is perfect. What people say. It gives a lovely dewy finish and lasts all day. The coverage is buildable and doesn't feel heavy on the skin. It blends seamlessly into the skin, leaving a natural-looking complexion. Number 1. No7 HydraLuminous Plus Hydrating Day Gel Moisturizer. Discover the No7 HydraLuminous Plus Hydrating Day Gel Moisturizer. It's designed to deeply hydrate your skin, leaving it feeling refreshed and revitalized. Infused with hyaluronic acid and vitamin B3 niacinamide, this moisturizer works to plump and smooth your complexion. It effectively replenishes moisture for a healthy glow. This lightweight gel formula provides essential hydration while protecting your skin from daily stressors. Experience an instant refreshing sensation with every application. It actively supports your skin's natural barrier, promoting resilience and a healthier appearance. This helps to keep your skin looking its best. Enjoy visibly hydrated and radiant skin with consistent use. This moisturizer is your daily partner for a luminous and healthy-looking complexion. Its unique gel texture absorbs quickly without any greasy residue. This makes it perfect for all skin types seeking a boost of hydration and freshness. What we like? Quench your skin's thirst with this refreshing day gel. It provides deep hydration and helps strengthen your skin barrier. If you desire a hydrated, protected, and refreshed complexion, especially if your skin tends to be dry or needs barrier support, this moisturizer is an excellent daily pick. What people say. Very light and feels very hydrating. It's a thin, cool gel. Absolutely lovely to apply. My skin looks dewy and it's worth every penny. It readily absorbs into my skin, doesn't feel greasy, and lasts throughout the day. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.